This is the next product that I'm working on because I wasn't too impressed with the almond oil because of the gritty feeling. So here is aloe vera. This is glycerin for your cosmetics. This is almond oil right here. And this is the juice from lemons and honey. I mean lemons and oranges. And this is vitamin C powder. And in here, guys, I'm drying out the lemon peels because I'm going to grind that up into a powder. And I'm going to make my own natural skin lightening to remove blemishes. So the almond, I'm just going to use the almond oil. The powder leaves a residue and I don't like how that feels, so I can't sleep with it. So I want it to go on more smooth and then glide into the skin because at night I feel that it's just dirtying up my pillowcases. So okay, I keep you guys available. Then I did put a thickener in this glycerin. Alrighty guys, bye. Alright, so my oranges has dried out. So now I'm going to take the pieces that I like and put them into my blender. Like the ones that really got the dark parts, I'm not going to grind that up. So I'll bring you guys back once I grind up the peels. Alright. Alright, so I got it in here and I'm going to chop it up. And I'll bring you guys back when I got it all peeled up. The stage of the lemons is still not as fine as I wanted. So now I'm going to try to put it back in this blender and continue to blend because it's still got big pieces in it. I want it very fine. And I probably going to have to find something else that can make it fine. I want it dust fine. Alright. Guys, it is still not dry enough. It's still kind of moist to the touch. So I'm not going to be able to use this right now. It's going to have to dry more so that I can turn it into a fine powder. I don't want this in my face cream. It's still too much. But I'm not going to put it back in the oven because I don't want it to burn. I'm just going to let it dry now naturally. I'm going to just cover it up and let it dry naturally. And then I'll blend it more when it's completely dry. So I think I'm going to let it do 3 more days. And then I can always add it to my face cream to make it more potent. But yeah, now it's too big and it's still moist. All right. We're just going to move on because it's not ready yet. So this is that lemon juice and orange juice going into here, guys. This right here is the sweet almond oil going into the mix. So we're making our all-natural skin lightener. Okay. This is the glycerin with a little food thickener to make it, you know, have a little thick consistency. This is aloe vera gel. Got the aloe vera gel going in there, guys. And we're just going to wait on the rest of the dried vitamin C because it's not dry enough. And I don't want big chunks in my recipe. So I tried to dry it in the oven. But if I keep rushing, I'm going to wind up burning it. So I'm just going to let that dry for 3 more days. And I can always add it to the recipe. And this is vitamin C, guys. Okay, we're going to blend this up. And this is going to be our all-natural face lightener. Oh, maybe if I plug it up. So this is going to be our all-natural face lightener, guys. I'm just blending it up. Okay, so we're going to add a little this to it. This is going to make it a lot thicker, guys. Guys, see? We're going to add a half a teaspoon of this because a little goes a long ways. Because we want it to have that little thick consistency. Okay, I'm using my blender. And I'll show you guys when it's all done. Put a couple of orange citrus essence oils in there. And it is ready to go. And I sterilized this, guys. And this is an all natural skin lightener, guys. And you don't have to put it in the refrigerator if you don't want. It don't have to go in the refrigerator. So this is all natural, guys. And I'm going to show you guys how well it feels. It's nothing like the almond oil before that I made. That gritty feeling, I couldn't stand that, guys. So I couldn't use it. Like, I use it as a paste, but I can't use it as nighttime cream. It had peeling all over my sheets. Like, couldn't do that. I do it in the morning as a mask, but I wouldn't do it at night. So when the citrus oils wind up getting prepared, so you guys see. So I got a little bit on there, and see that glides on very smooth. No gritty feeling, guys. And yes, I would use this as a nighttime skin lightener, and it will lighten my skin naturally, guys. So if you guys want to make this, y'all see the ingredients. So yes, I can use this as a nighttime cream, guys. Thank you guys for watching. It doesn't have that gritty feeling in it. So this is my new recipe. I didn't like the almond oils, the almonds in there, so I just used the almond oil and took the almonds out of this recipe. All right, guys. Bye-bye. So as you see, I'm rubbing it in. And oh, it glides on. And it feels so amazing. But this is going to be my all natural lightener. And yes, guys, I like this one a lot better. So I can put it, you can put it all over your body if you please. But yeah, it's an all natural lightener, guys. So if you guys like this recipe, try it out. And it is a lot more better. Like, you put it all over your body, and oh, the aloe vera gel got it feeling so soft, and the glycerin and the castor oil and the almond oil. So it's feeling real amazing, guys. But massage it. Give yourself a facial massage. And we can remove a lot of these spots naturally, guys. So, alrighty, guys. You guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye.